Alright guys, this is Alan with the GI Money Man sitting down with my buddy Matt, and we're going to go over a bunch of stuff here in this video coming up. It is a long video, so I wanted to give you a short overrun of things that we're going to talk about. We're going to be talking about survival situation, preparedness, and what to do in certain stuff. It's things and mindsets that you need to have in place and action plans if needed. We're going to relate that to finances and go over different ways of budgeting, savings, and how to make it work. And we're going to try to connect the two to give you an idea of understanding of how we train to survive and stay alive, but we also need to train to be proficient with our financial process. Now, Matt sat down with me about 3 years ago. Matt, tell them what we did.
We basically took what I thought was a good budget plan and we poked holes in my plan. Which poking holes is not a bad thing because it only makes things better, and in 3 years it has made a world of difference.
So what he's talking about is basic step phase 1. Sit down and identify the problems or the missing areas in the budget plan, condense and focus on specific key aspects, improve and capitalize every step of the way. Phase 2, we keep improving. Phase 3, and so on and so forth. Crawl, walk, run. Basic concepts in the military, we need to equate that to everyday life. That's what this video is going to be about, guys. So y'all stick with it, pay attention, and don't fall asleep. Ask questions, leave comments, and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. On a side note, like, share, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Click the notification bell so you can get updates on new videos that are coming out. All of my social media links are in the description, along with my website as a direct line of contact if y'all have questions for me. More video and content will be coming out. Keep an eye out for it because the notification bell doesn't always work with YouTube. But keep an eye out for the information and the new videos, and pass this information along to others. The more people I can help for free, the better it is. So y'all stick with me. Once again, this is Alan with the GI Money Man. I'm here to educate, motivate, and guide. So let's go.